Come on, fishy boy. This is how my mom does it with Coda.
Come on, fishy boy.
Here, someone hold this cup. This is not gonna work.
You ready?
Come on, fishy boy. Hold on, let's make it so he doesn't have much water to swim. He'll just be flopping around. Come on, fish.
Don't kill him. Don't kill him. Just drain him in the cup. Brian! He's scared. He doesn't know what to do.
The fish isn't very... Hold on.
Here he comes. Oh.
Watch him fling down the sink and he dump the water out of that.
This? Oh, good idea. Now go, dump.
Wait. Dump it down the pan. Go, fishy bar. Dump it out all the way.
Dump him in.
Go!
Go, please. He can't breathe. He can't breathe. Put him in. Put him in there. Put him in. Dump him. Dump. Brian, come on. Fish.
Stop, he can't breathe.
He's dying.
He's dying.
Get him in there, Brian. Get him. He's dying.
Oh my gosh, what are you guys doing?
Dad told me to change the water.
Wow.
He can't breathe.
Hurry, Brian.
Get in there.
All our work. Great, now what am I going to do? Can I just pour the